This is the actual Hoover Dam.
Hoover?
Hoover!
Hoover?
What's your obsession with Uber?
Well, I don't have one.
These are clearly golden. Clearly not. Those winged people look really uncomfortable sitting there.
Welcome to the Winged Figures of the Republic.
Holy.
I guess.
This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America.
It's Illuminati.
Representing
Illuminati.
the Coliseum represents Rome.
Run for your lives.
At first glance, one is a massive light. Proudly displays the American flag and the banner of the Department of the Interior. At the top of the flagpole, 142 feet above.
Oh, hey, these all have states. Arizona, Utah, California, Colorado, Wyoming, New Mexico.
1935.
Dietad Deuce. Deuce. That sounds like what's something that Stu would say. Deuce. Right?
He left a deuce in the air.
Aries. God of the underworld, if I recall. Or no, this isn't gods. I think this is months.
Tartarus.
I'm not showing that one for reasons.
You might not want to show Virgo either.
Which
one did you not want to show?
That one.
Then you might want to not go show him Virgo.
Someday, somehow, future civilizations would find
Really? I think I see why I shouldn't show that one. Or this one.
craftsmen of our culture completed.
Well, whatever, it's for purposes. I'm not reading it, I'm just gonna keep it there.
To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch, or wheel of time. The yellow mark on the floor is actually a complete circle, showing 26,000 Earth years, or one great year, or a platonic year in astronomy terms.
Interesting.
Marked on the yellow band are significant.
Oh no, it's the Popo. It's the 5-0. They're after us.
2,700 BC.
I think they want to eat us.
North Star of the ancient Egyptians.
Jack, I think you should read this.
Danger. Keep off wall. Well, what wall is it, Donald Trump's wall? Because if so, he'd probably want us to keep off. Justin? Never mind. Found. It's the birds. The birds are sabotaging the Popo cars. Who is this ugly figure? Oh wait, that's me. Hello.
Yo.
Want to explore more?
This rock came
Did
from
you see
one
that thing?
more precisely, it came from a location.
Over there is an exhibit. Try to go for it?
I don't know if we even can.
The spillway over by the police security area. Did you see it? There was a picture of a spillway.
The birdies! They're after us, I can tell. The birdies, they're after me.
Ticket required. Yeah, let's try it anyway.
It would have been fun to get a ticket.
Try it anyway?
Are you still thinking about getting some?
Depends on what.
Some of the tours?
No, not really.
Oh. Okay. I have no idea what's down here.
Go away. Not much of a tour, it's more of a worker thing.
They have bugs here.
Yeah, they do.
It's annoying me.
Look, you see fishies.
You can?
Hold them. See? The fishing is good here.
Like that, somebody with fishing rod.
Or with a fishing rod even long enough.
Let's go away to one second.
I'm putting on my hood so that these bugs don't get me.
Oh, there you go.
I'm from the hood. No, I'm not. Are you gonna make some more of those jokes about Justin?
About Justin, what do you think?
Don't get? Remember when we were back over there?
It was about the timing, that's all.
Justin's after me. Well, looks like you were.
Cars, ooh.
Cars, what are they doing back here?
Work area, I guess.
Work area, that's what they all say. Oh no, there's more. Next thing we know, we're probably gonna get ran over by a reindeer. Ruh-roh! Sanitary sewer. Sewers are not sanitary. Isn't that common knowledge that sewers aren't sanitary?
Are they?
Hoover damn securities.
That's stupid. They carry an AR-15 magazine, but no AR-15?
Suspicious. Nevada time. Is that cameras on the roof? I can't tell. Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording soon if we're not doing any tours. They'll just get boring after a while. Oh. I haven't been looking at the camera.
Jack, turn your camera off.
Watch where you're going to.
No, I won't until after this one part. I don't know if I got that. Nevada time. Oh, I thought there'd be an Arizona time. There is, on the other side. It's down or is down? Yes. Isn't that cool how they have both times though? What's that, golden elevator?
Yep.
That's
These-
how you get to the Transformers.
These people are too fancy.
That's if you have a ticket to Billy Wonder's Chocolate Factory.
Never heard that one before. I hate how it goes like off camera though. I wish it could stay in camera. If anyone knows how to fix that, just say. Look at that giant bridge we're on. An arch bridge. Isn't that an arch bridge? You know, I actually knew a lot of bridge types but that I learned at school, but then I forgot.
Take it up.
Can you get a picture of that, Jack?
What? Done. It's another golden elevator. What is this? Danger, keep off the wall. It's over and over and over again. But at least there's a golden elevator. Alright, and that is Arizona time.